Imelda, can you explain your experience when the congregation sent you to the Philippines to undergo your formations as a novice in Bataan? Can you explain how did you experience this kind of formations along with some foreign nationals?
I am so happy and I am so grateful that this congregation give me opportunity, especially to meet with my sisters from different countries. We are from different continents and different countries with all our tradition and language that different. But we are so happy and proud that we are a part of the history of SND history. We also, I also very happy that I can meet my sisters from different countries, and I aware that this congregation is universal congregation, and I am so happy that happy and joyful and grateful to God, especially to my sisters that support me in every journey of my vocation, especially in every moment that I meet and in every difficulties that I face. That's in there I feel that the support of my sisters is really strong and really firm that form me as a sister.
Imelda, you are from Kevamanano, some part of the remote Indonesian in the eastern part of the country. And now you are sent to the Philippines and met with your colleagues from Korea, China, PNG, the Philippines, and also from Vietnam. So how can you manage yourself while socializing with them, with different culture, different language, and also you have your limits?
For the first time, it was so difficult, as I also do not know English well, so we speak with body language. For the first time, we speak with body language, but moment by moment, day by day, we become to understand each other. We know that our pronunciation, our word, our tradition is really different. But from that moment, we know from that difficulties, small difficulties, we come to understand that from that moment we can bond each other as a sister. We can complete each other as a sister that really we are from one family, not from different. So we are happy that we can be together in Philippines and as a sister, and it was a joyful moment and a grateful moment that will be never forget for us.
Okay, are you proud as a Soeurs de Notre Dame?
Yes, I am proud as a Sisters of Notre Dame, and I am happy and joyful that God called me to be a Sisters of Notre Dame.
Thank you, Sister Imelda.
Thank you very much.